If you play Dead by Daylight, there's a good chance that you've seen people with really cool portraits or even player icons that you're like, I really want that, but I don't know how to get it. Personally, I use Nightlight. You can change your portraits, you can change your perks, you can even change the add-on offerings. Here's how you can do it. Open up a browser and type in nightlight.gg. I'll put the link in the description below. At the top, you're going to select Nightlight Desktop. We're just going to install the application so it's on your PC. That way you can change it and update it whenever you want. Select Download for Windows. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up, and then we're going to go through the setup together. Hit Next. It's going to have a destination already. For me, it says App Data, Local, Programs, and then Nightlight Desktop. That's what I want, so I'm going to hit Install. When it's done, hit Next, and then hit Finish. Now we're going to open the program together, and then you'll find a welcome message saying Welcome to Nightlight Desktop. On the left hand side, you're going to see some stuff. You're going to see Browse, Icon Viewer, Default Icons, and if you want to upload your own stuff, you can do that here. But for this tutorial, let's focus on updating our icons. Let's select Browse, and it already shows you so many options. Personally, I've been using this Helltaker icon pack for a long time, but I want to see if there's anything new. You can scroll and look at all the different options, and they're really cute. Let's say I want to look at this reworked killer portraits. I'm going to select it, and it shows you all the different portraits that it offers. Ew. Now, that one only had portraits available. Others have perks, items, offerings, powers, add-ons, status, and even actions. Let's say I just want to update my portraits. I don't care about anything else, I just want the portraits. Let's scroll to the top. At the top right, it even has a shortcut. You can pick portraits only, perks only, or all equipable. Let's select portraits only. Then hit apply. Now everything's updated, so it'll only show you the ones that are just for portraits. Oh, there's even a DBD portraits but with cats. Oh my god, these are so cute. Maybe I'll do this one. This one seems like a lot of fun. I love the Yui one. It's so cute. I want to change mine to this pack because this is really cute. I'm just going to go ahead and hit install, and you can select which ones you're going to install. So for this one, it's going to have the icons and the portraits specifically. I'm going to explain why they do this later when we do like a full pack, but let's just go with this for now. So I'm going to hit install, and it's all done. Now, some artists offer a whole bundle. I'm talking portraits, I'm talking perks, I'm talking items. How do we find those? Let's reset our filters real quick. And at the top right, let's go ahead and select All Equipable. All Equipable is basically like your all-in-one pack. It has everything you could possibly need and whatever theme you want. Let's click on this one as an example. Dreamy Night. Here it has your perks, it has your portraits, items, offerings, powers, add-ons, even the status effects. It also updates your rituals, any help icons, loading icons, actions, and some archive stuff, you know, just for funsies. Let's say I want this one because I love the theme and I think it's super cute how they all go well together. We're gonna hit install and it's gonna show you all of these. Let's say I want to keep the portrait icons from the previous one we downloaded. Here, I can just deselect portraits and then everything else will be downloaded for me. I'm gonna leave this deselected and then I'm gonna go ahead and install all the files. Easy as that. Okay, so we've opened the game. Can you tell this is during 2v8? Let's look at the killers first. Let's select characters. And our cats are here! Look at them! They're so cute! Let's check out the perks. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, I might keep this one actually. So it updated all the perks, it updated all the icons. It even updated all the offerings that we can do. And if you look at the blood web, it's a lot cuter, you know? Let's go and check out Survivor as well. First thing I see is Nicolas Cage. It's a whole fucking mood. And as you can see, all the cats are updated here as well. Very cute, very demure. Let's look at the loadouts. Same thing, all the items, the add-ons, offerings, even some of the event offerings too. But what if I want to update the icons? Maybe I don't like the portraits. Maybe I want to change it to something else. I'm keeping the cat portraits, by the way. Let's make that very clear. go ahead and go through the same process. Select the portraits, and then just pick whichever one you want to install. Don't have to worry about anything else. There's loads of different artists with beautiful sets. Definitely recommend checking them out. I hope this was helpful, and hopefully your games will be a lot more fun with cute cats on your screen. As always, take care, and I'll see you guys later.